Poison? A parasite? Poison? Oh, no, I just said that, didn't I? See, I'm all discombobulated. I can't think straight.
I don't believe this. You're hungry.
Where is the antidote?
Okay, okay. All right.
Oh, I don't feel so good. I think I'm getting seasick. My center is definitely moving. How are you feeling, Rolly? Rolly?